Well, well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Smitty, if you didn't know, and today we are on our way to meet L2theW. We've got his transmission loaded up in the vehicular behind me, which happens to be our Honda. Gets the best gas mileage, you know. And we get another complication to deal with. So, what would be a road trip without a little, I don't know, wet stuff maybe? I know you can't see that, but you can at least hear it. You can at least see it because it's darker and dark out right now. So yeah, we're gonna make our way here shortly. It's pretty dang early in the morning, but it is what it is. Looking forward to getting this done for them and getting them down the road. So I'll do some video throughout the whole day, and you guys can follow along. So we'll see you on the road. All right, y'all. So we made it. Well, almost. We're getting ready to roll up on L2theW's humble abode, I'm sure. All right, guys. Well, we're here at L2theW's, and look at this beauty. He's right. It doesn't do it justice until you see it in person. What a beautiful car. Definitely put some time into it. He's got that first TPI set up on it. Smart man took the distributor cap off, so we don't have to worry about damaging anything. But yeah, I didn't even think about that. They'll probably snag something on it, but I can kind of mute that out. But anyway, so there's this transmission. We're getting ready to shove that dude in, and I'm excited to get this down the road. What about you?
Oh yeah,
You ready too?
I'm very ready. I'm ready for you to hear this thing because it's a totally different beast in person when you actually hear it.
Oh, I'm sure. The camera doesn't do it any justice.
And any of your subscribers that haven't even seen the car yet.
It's pretty. So where did you find these wheels?
Online. They won't fit a stock application because the hub bore on the factory brakes are too big.
Right.
So these are actually like 4th gen brakes,
Okay.
which reduce like the bore size.
Yeah.
So yeah, I bought these things. They told me they fit, and I went to slap them on. Denied.
Nice.
Yeah, I was kind of a little bit pissed, but I already had the brakes coming, and I knew the
So did you have to have your hub modified to be able to fit that rotor?
No,
The factory hub that's on it?
Well, they changed it. The
Oh.
company that did it, they changed. It's kind of a weird setup. They take the hub, the original hub, or they take a hub and they mill
They turn it down?
the brake off. Yeah, that way that bolts on to their spindle setup,
Right.
and then that rotor kind of goes on like a front wheel drive. It's not actually this brake isn't actually part of the hub. It actually slides off.
So it's floating rotor just like the new stuff.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's definitely an upgrade. Anyway.
So what'd you have to do on the rear?
The rear's factory. It slid on. I didn't have any problem with it going on the rear.
What a beautiful car. Can't wait to one day get mine up and going. I never did ask you, how many miles this thing got on it?
93, 94,000.
So it's pretty young yet.
It was a guy in Michigan owned it. It was like, I guess his summer car.
Wow, so he never drove it in the Michigan snow, apparently.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks.
Very nice. All right, so we're going to get going on this thing and get this thing in, and I'll come back with you and I'll show you the deal with setting up a TV cable and how to properly adjust it, and I want to show you how exactly it works on the transmission. So I'll be back with you throughout the thing, and we'll show each kind of little steps of it. So see you in a bit. All right, guys, we're just about finished up here. We got L2theW doing some manual labor down there, getting the jacks up from underneath of it.
Yeah, man, I've done everything. I even put the trans in. Smitty just been watching.
Your old boy Smitty here has learned one thing for sure. It says, I'm too old to be laying on the concrete anymore. My back don't like that no more. That's it for this old dude.
Me too.
But anyway, we got it in there. I'm going to show you a TV cable adjustment here just here shortly. We'll get some fluid in there and see if it goes in gear, and down the road it goes. So we're just about there. All right, guys, I'll show you this TV cable adjustment here. Okay, if you notice where this thing is here, and you got the push button here, you push that dude, and you could pull out. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Push this dude and pull out your cable like that. You actually want this thing to go in. It's spring-loaded. So if you push that all the way in, connect your cable. Oop, get back here. Put your cable on there, and then I'll have L2theW step on the gas pedal. And that's all there is to adjusting it. Oh, wait a minute. I think our little sleeve slid. It did. Technical difficulties, hang on. All right, here we go. Let's try this again. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for my video for putting L2theW's transmission in. So I'm going to put a link down below in the description box. It'll have a link to his video. I would have recorded more, but by the time I got done, my back was so spent I couldn't hardly stand up. It was pretty rough. So anyway, I had to cut it short, and I told L2theW, you know, what to do, and he could finish it up. And so make sure and watch his video. Like I said, I'm going to put a link in the description below. And if you like what you've seen, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And do a like and subscribe and all that good jazz. And until next time, make sure to take care of yourself, take care of each other. God bless you, and God bless America. Bye-bye.